So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a curly hair routine on my little sister. This is not the little sister I did the big chop on. I will be doing a video updating you guys on her big chop. Her big chop is going lovely. Her hair is growing fast and all that good stuff. But this little sister, this is the one with the bleached hair. Her hair is still curly. I would say she has like 3A, 3B. I'm more 3C. I'm going to be using the same products I used on my hair, which is the Coconut and Mono Design Essentials and the Avocado and Almond Design Essentials Cream. This is the gel. And I got a Demon brush. I gotta get a bigger one, I know. In this video, I'm going to be fully diffusing her hair. Today's Halloween, y'all. I feel like I look like a vampire with these things. I got scully. Yo, we all got hype. We said it's Halloween.
And I have my costume.
Oh, she got her costume on, y'all. But, yeah. Let's get started. This is her hair with product in it, the same products I used on my hair. Now we are going to diffuse her hair, and so far so good, y'all. I'm surprised her hair got this curly, being that she bleached it. How many times you bleach your hair?
Twice.
Twice? You guys saw my hair did not look like this before I did the big chop. Then again, I bleach my hair every time I change my color, y'all, and that was bad. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and start diffusing her hair, and let's see how this turns out. Alright, y'all, so this is the end product of her hair, and I can honestly say I didn't expect her hair to turn out like this. Her hair dried mad quick compared to mine. Mine still wasn't dry. What you guys think down below? What you guys think down below? Like, her hair is fire to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 60K.
60K.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.